In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FTMO Metrix. FTMO Account Metrix is your interactive performance and risk dashboard inside the client area. It tracks your real-time and historical trading stats, your equity progress, open trades, evaluation objectives, and a built-in trading journal, so you can trade with discipline and make better decisions. To get started, log in to your client area. Choose the exact FTMO account you want to analyze, whether it's a challenge, verification, or funded account, and click the Account Metrics icon. The dashboard opens for that account, pulling in live and historical data. Double-check you're on the right account, because each one has different parameters and rules. At the top, the account overview gives you the context behind every number you'll see next. Here you'll find the account type and status, your current balance and equity, the start and end dates relevant to that account, plus your capital size and the trading platform you're using. Use this as your anchor. The equity figure reflects unrealized PAL, while balance reflects only closed trades. Next is the equity or performance chart, a dynamic equity curve that shows how your account value evolves over time. Drawdown periods are highlighted, which makes your risk behavior easy to spot. Focus on equity, including floating profit and loss, rather than only closed profit. That's the basis for FTMO's rules and risk limits. The Open Trades panel lists your current positions, including the instrument, whether you're long or short, the lot size, current PL, and how long the trade has been open. This is your mid-session risk control center. If exposure is larger or longer than planned, this view makes it obvious so you can act in line with your plan. Your trading journal lives right inside Metrix. You can review exact entries and exits, add personal notes or screenshots, and study how a trade evolved from idea to outcome. Capture your thinking while it's fresh. Over time, these notes reveal patterns you can refine. Some versions include a P&L calendar. It color-codes daily gains and losses, helping you spot consistency, streaks, or specific weekdays that need attention. Finally, for FTMO challenges, check trading objectives status. You'll see progress toward minimum trading days, the profit target, maximum daily loss, and maximum overall loss, with a clear view of what's already met and what remains. That's the workflow. Open Account Metrix, read your overview, study the equity curve, monitor open trades, maintain your journal, use the calendar if available, and track objectives to stay within rules and improve performance.